Hey, hands up on you, Satan. Can't you see this is a stick up?
Yo, scan twinjake. Akena challenge.
Hey, shut up, man. Oh, it's like one going to actor, ne? Shut up. Me bra, uzwakele in the back.
Get back aying you are.
Hey, baba, to carry the sauce. It's like now going to your actor, ne? This is not a soapy, baba. Fuga. Hayibo, skipani kan manje. Selahle phansi lo muntu.
Ngawo jamak.
Hello, ke maphodisa.
Yes, who this?
Tani nthuseke. Hona le majita a mabedi mo. Ha zama go nsatsa.
Okay, my man. Please call after 30 minutes. Mutembu sa ishite vene kwa car wash.
30 minutes. Ke taba ke go ile mos.
Emanyana mo. I think Bella siya ka ya evaporator mo.
Lena, me tholera tsa batho.
Hey, my man. Ish. Make it 60 minutes. Mutembu has been hijacked in Tembisa. Ish, I have to make another plan.
Hey, open this door. We know you're in there. Hey, open this door and as your moron.
Open the door. Which door?
This door, bloody Satan.
Open it for what?
Yes, funa ukuhijack, man. What's a small shell car to win?
No ways. Forget it.
Oh. Ish. My good man. Yes, game nje. Ufuna siringisana.
Kodwa.
Manje simisa kanjani mi bra?
Hayi, armotsene ka plan B.
Baba, ucanga ukuthi wenzani? Umosha isikhathi man. We have plenty work to do. Ukare futhi sipholisa masingaphuthumi.
I'm still updating my Facebook status. Kenya gore ba tsebe gore re mapara. Phela it's not easy being a gangster in FLF.
FLF? What is that?
It's someone who is famous on Facebook.
Famous for what?
Famous for
Famous for doing what? Bayaqula, bay-actor, benzani labantu? Bahola malini labantu?
Hayi, abalatsi next. They just take many pictures and get many likes.
Hey, sounds like this celebrity thing is useless. No peace with motion. Hayibo. Eva, is this cool kangaka? Belidla spinach wena.
I am a Mediterranean.
Hey, what?
A Mediterranean. Ke opposite ya vegetarian.
Ayisuka, not just a fat idiot wena.
Imfu, ntsoka re ne kulubus adipose syndrome. O re itia ka nako man. Ere ke mo gitleng patse ka shote te o tla re botsa mo so se leng gona.
I'm going to ask you one time. Ivale sauce.
What sauce?
Phusus halanchesa sauce man. Ra tsebo nayo re bone poto ka monte ka mo.
Lithubile le batlaka just for a sauce.
Just the sauce. Mutagora sauce ya phusuri is just the sauce. Hayi, misarish. Akatsona utsuba mara hey, ke o gana man.
Enhle kulento tonga ukuthi sa-actor lana ne. La. Aringe ukuthi leso siva. Otherwise ngizokukhaflela yazo. Orini, angithephi.
Wena Cosmo, why are you busy o ropa batho ka re already una le nyoko?
Hey baba, haven't you heard? Mfudla get fire code and get away with it. So if this acting thing doesn't work out, at least I will have a criminal degree to fall on.
Diben. Jona mawera mapanting ban. Morko bali
Hey, shut up. When? Vala lo mlonyana wakho. Otherwise I'll bite off your nipples. Wahlafunye, phini ngwabuyisela. Uyezwa?
Stop.
Hey, what's cooking after baking iso?
Mr. Officer.
Hey, skampicha office stala tu. Obana officer ganam. Wait a minute. Mr. Cosmo, I don't believe it. Is that you?
In the flesh.
Hey, my man, I am a big fan. Hey, you have to sign my card. Mtumbi is gonna be jealous. Mara oke togwa mela. Gape situnya se situnshitse 34 minus se kwa American. In fact, what's again? Never mind, discuss a sign. Elore le nyaga mmoga dithunya.
Mr. Officer, we are racing for the new movie called Generations Legacy. Ish, enegwamele sifaya, no. Ish, iphela slam leli. Hello. Funi mvudla. I'm on my way. Mr. Officer, gwamele sifaya.
Oh, no problem, Mr. Cosmo. And then Wena, what are you looking at? Kanyanye gamona wasa barabara.
I'm a man.
So,
Di bra ke tša basadi.
says you. Re go thabeka ticket ya 5,000.
O tompha ticket ka gore ke apara bra.
Swanetše go khurupetša tšhelete tšago man. This is public indecency. Ya ba to ripa to bo re lela kwa police station. Ebile re go tlhatlhele your piece of fence.
And then, was my goedes? Ish. Boss Maleven. Boss Maleven se vat man. Ivale sos. Ish, boss. Amagata yo afika sa pushitejo. Eba spices alabantu. Shut up man. Cop or no cop, you must took charge. You must put the knife here. You see? Abazokumamela ntwana ngiyakutshela. Or you show them with their last born and took her to hot shower. But there were 10 cop cars. And the Scorpions. And the Hawks. And the other force. My beret. Yo, bengathi fruit salad yamagata. Hey baba. E.g. I put a pistol in a face such as this. You see? Uthi oh. Ephosa umboneleni lo muntu. Ayinzungishanga practical. Ngiyakubona ngathi understand le theory. Manje boss ubani lo? Hayi khata la sethembisa leli. Sila hijackile just for control.
Mon, unyaka go mpotša the famous Cosmo o ropile bookstore cause a nagana go na le phusus halantšhisa sauce ka mogare.
Aowa ke nnete.
Wa gafa. Useless nje. Seo se tsebang go goja. Bona go nonne bja man. Ko ra ke tsebe gore ke go kantara tee go fa gabedi na. Gape o ka re ko wena group hug. Ke yona sexy chubby ninja ya Casper University ye. Awa. Ke gore ke understand gore studio seo se swareletše ka moyo mo kgetho fa go diagala. Le melao ya physics a e dumele. And I can understand why wena le Khulubusi ba sa le counter in the Big Five. I must call the minister about this. Gape you look like a family reunion ya di slender man. Ach, le manufacture wa Herbex a ka fella ke stock before ba thathamolla fetse yago. I'm sure le bosenyo ba go blocker toilet.
Jo, ga lo tsogetse nna mamone.
Hey, shut up! I do the questioning and point of orders around here, and you will never be recognized in this house. Stupid fat man. Ke maya.
Yemuna, mutakobelela nnete mona. Hana molato.
Matlebian, you are interrupting a very serious interrogation here, and I'm sure this thing ya juluka, so I want to finish before Tapisha police station negamok. So prikanet so, cause I will get to the bottom of this no matter how fat it is.
Telecha mumuna. Uskangita papai wa uka. Asan lampob, I have solid evidence. Cosmo and his friends checked in a bookstore and tagged each other in a status that reads, busy stealing sources like bosses. Lol, I'm about to cook a dog up bazooka. Hashtag gangster vibes. Hashtag none those things. Hashtag self-love. Hashtag teamy baller. Hi, it's very clear now that celebs are just professional idiots.
Musmak Zaga Zaga has made things easy for us with this Facebook thing. Erego batafisha moket. Ko batla ka surprise arrest utabona. Matlebian, get a chopper to come get this buffalo out of here before Gimupuj.
Again.
Show me sister.
Ehe, nangu umuntu bo. Ungena la ngathi ubalekela xenophobia. Ngesikhathi sokudla pho. Hayi cha uyakuthanda ukudla ne.
My sister, you just chose to be ugly and stupid at the same time. I have far more important things to do than go jamina tene ya go ka rebe sepela ka ga volcano. Erego go zamenya.
Hayibo.
Ibile o jamina tana ka fucking knife. Hey, you like things, ne? Whoa now, I'm looking for Cosmo, okay here.
He's in that room number 11.
That's very my sister.
Tsena.
Eban, ke nyakile go thula ke phofolo engwe ya mohuta ka monte. Ke ma mothula.
O re ngobani manje? Imedium.
Oh, that's your wife. Hey, o ka re ke Beyonce, my man.
Oh, thank you very much, Ndot. Very nice.
No. Ska ke thaka ntshangwaneshi. Ke rata soccer play.
Eban, let's solo nyane.
O tampotsa ra bone re ntwela go ka re ke Australopithecus africanus. I'm sure o botse gore she will catch a grenade for you. The way I be feeling ka gone. It's obvious gore o khitšitše di-grenades for the ex tša ge ka moka. Gape ke mootwa thui, dilo tša bošego. Where did you meet her?
Ba gahlane Facebook.
O mmorile ka the math method.
Math method? What is that?
Makeup angle and filter. She's very nice from far, but very far from nice.
Aibo, I think you're right, yes. And like when you first stand, Linda.
Emon, ko gona o realize no gore o nyalane le manko. Gape o ka go thaba ka sandpaper mo. Ebile ke tsena ka mo ke nyaka le gore le bethile Halloween party.
No, man. The meeting at by Scobo every day. Eh? Angivisisi Linda. Cosmo, abize lo mfazi. Fanele sichazele ukuthi kuyenzakalani la.
Eprika network. Akuna moya. You are all under arrest.
Baba, we won. Tina C4. So kushange handicap match of the season.
Stupid. You will out to be robot. Ke maringe one.
Dude, a ratla le tša bošego jwale.
My man, you said you wanted my sauce. Here you go.
Wala ka.
Hayibo. Kanti sikhipani la? Sinasitharatha manje.
You have exactly 0.0 seconds to raise up your hands.
Yo nna yo ka re ke tlo e thotela.